Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with your iPhone 15 updated and Genmoji installed. This ensures the app uses the newest AR and emoji features. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions so Genmoji can capture expressions and sound. You should enable Face ID and keyboard access in settings because Genmoji maps facial movements and needs keyboard input to replace text. Now open Genmoji and sign in. That initial setup links your preferences and prepares the live. Now you create the Genmoji. Tap Create and choose either a preset face model or use the camera scan to capture your real face. Follow the on-screen calibration prompts for about 3 to 5 seconds so the app maps your nods, smiles, and eye blinks accurately. Then adjust intensity sliders for mouth and eyes and test with a short preview recording to confirm lip sync. Once comfortable, save the mapping profile. This makes future performances consistent and reduces recalibration time. Finish by exporting your Genmoji, pick animated sticker, video, or live paste depending on where you'll use it, and choose resolution settings for smaller files or higher quality. Once exported, tap Share and send via messages or post to social apps. You can also copy to clipboard for quick pastes. If you encounter lag or misalignment, restart the app, toggle camera and mic permissions, then recalibrate mapping. If problems persist, reduce AR quality in settings to improve performance on complex backgrounds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.